Greetings, web developers, and welcome to week 3. This week, we'll be focusing more on HTML fundamentals. We'll be addressing 7 different topics this week, covering the different container objects, how to create the necessary form elements and widgets. We'll follow this up with more form elements and widgets. Then we'll look at how to integrate video and audio into your web pages, how to use the script and the style tag, and we'll close out the discussion with basic developer guidelines. This week has 9 PAs and 3 CAs, challenge activities, 3 simple labs, and 1 quiz to assess your knowledge and retention of the content. I want to remind everyone, try to spend at least a half an hour each day on the work so you can stay on task and get caught up if necessary. The assignments have a due date, but they do not have a limit when you have to turn them in. That's it for now. After this week, we'll be starting to look at more visually appealing aspects of how to add flair through styling and layouts. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email. Okay, thanks for watching and happy coding.